Welcome to our channel. Apple Watch pairing problems can be frustrating, but these comprehensive solutions will help you establish a successful connection with your iPhone. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later, and your Apple Watch is charged to at least 50% battery. Step 2. Turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 3. Restart both your Apple Watch by holding the side button and your iPhone by following the standard restart procedure for your model. Step 4. Unpair your Apple Watch if it was previously paired by opening the Watch app on iPhone and selecting your watch to unpair it. Step 5. Erase all content and settings on your Apple Watch by going to Settings, General, Reset, and selecting Erase all content and settings. Step 6. Place your Apple Watch very close to your iPhone and wait for the pairing animation to appear on your iPhone screen. Step 7. Hold your iPhone camera over the watch face animation or tap pair Apple Watch manually if the automatic method doesn't work. Step 8. Follow all on-screen setup instructions, including signing in with your Apple ID and choosing settings for your newly paired Apple Watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.